Hi Radios. In this video, many of you know about Cmatrix. Some of you ask what is Cmatrix. Cmatrix is a tool that used in termux. Comment yes if you already known about Cmatrix. But you didn't know about Cmatrix tricks? Yes, this one tool have many tricks and have many colors. Now we are going to see this. First of all, we have to know what is Cmatrix. Open termux app, command pkg install cmatrix. After installation, just command cmatrix. Then you see that be like hacking code is running out and it can be exit. Now we see about the cmatrix unbelievable tricks. Are you excited? So yeah, this is the basic syntax for access the tricks of cmatrix. The first trick is -b. -b provides the bold matrix compared to basic matrix as we shown before. Now we see the example. You see the difference of matrix with bold characters. The next trick is -c. Notice that if you are given small or capital C because it is case sensitive. Now I write command C matrix -c. It shows a blank background. Then I click exit, then I type something. You see, right? It shows something a gray matrix. The third trick is -l. There is no specification in this command, but it displays computer locked in the center of the screen. Now C matrix -l, then I click enter button. So yeah, you see that it displays computer locked in the screen. The next is -o. -o is just the other type of matrix. Now we have to remember the basic matrix as we shown. So I just C matrix -o and click the enter. You see there is lot of difference. So can we jump into the next trick? Oh yeah, next is -n. -n gives bright white, not the whole matrix, but in the end of every falling column of characters. Now I just type the command. So you see the bright white, isn't it? Then the sixth trick is -s. -s is the specific command that escapes from the running matrix. I have already told that there is no exit from running matrix. But now I just type that command cmatrix -s. So it is running. I click exit or escape button. It will return back to previous page. The next trick is -x. We already known about that. -o will provide other kind of matrix. Like that, -x also provide other kind of matrix. Now straight back to termux. Let's type C matrix -x. You see, it is running like a weird mathematical equation. Comment below.
Do you love Max or not?
I slightly avoid it. This time I directly explain in termux. I am going to type C matrix -v and click enter. This command helps to get C matrix version 2.2. Just copy and paste the GitHub repository link in Chrome, then download it. All over the tricks, I like this one, which is -or. Now opening termux app, then command C matrix -or. Now I'm going to click enter. So yes, it is running with different colors. It is the prettiest one, isn't it? Comment below. The last and final trick is -m. -m be like we learned in our school or college days, that is lambda. If you didn't know, let's see. Opening termux. So C matrix -m, then click enter. You see the all characters are running which are known as lambda. Maybe our all tricks are done, I think so. But C matrix can be declared in different unique colors. So this is the syntax for accessing the C matrix colors, which is C matrix -c. Then which color you want to type it. But the twist is there are some valid colors for C matrix, which is green, red, blue, white, yellow, cyan. Cyan is the family of blue. Then magenta and black. Now I'm going to give demo with some colors. The other colors you must try it out and comment how amazing is it. So now opening termux and type the same syntax. So Cmatrix -C. So which color? Yes, we put yellow, then click enter. You see, right? The whole matrix is running with yellow color. I also give another color as demo, don't worry. So C matrix -C magneta. Then I click enter. Then the matrix is running in magenta color. Sorry, that is magenta color. So finally, we have explored all the tricks in Cmatrix. If this video useful to you, just like it, and any queries or doubts, comment below. In coming days, we are providing AI, artificial intelligence sessions with source codes. If you want to join us, just subscribe and click bell button. So, see you on the next session. Bye.